Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the perfect daily routine for boys. As you know, having a routine is essential to stay organized, focused, and productive throughout the day. So, whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone looking to improve their daily habits, this video is for you. Step number 1, wake up early. The first step to a perfect daily routine for boys is to wake up early. Try to wake up at the same time every day, preferably before 6 a.m. This will give you enough time to prepare for the day ahead, including exercising, having breakfast, and getting ready for work or school. Step number 2, exercise. Next up, it's time to get moving. Exercise is crucial for your physical and mental health, so make sure you include some form of physical activity in your daily routine. This could be anything from running or weightlifting to yoga or meditation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise every day to keep your body and mind in top shape. Step number 3, have a nutritious breakfast. Having a nutritious breakfast is essential to start your day off right. Make sure to include a good source of protein, such as eggs or Greek yogurt, along with whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid sugary cereals or processed foods that will leave you feeling sluggish and tired. Anyway, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss out on our latest content. Let's go to next step. Step number 4, plan your day. Now that you're energized and ready to take on the day, it's time to plan out your tasks and goals. Make a to-do list or use a planner to keep track of everything you need to accomplish. Prioritize your tasks and break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Step number 5, focus on work or school. Whether you're a student or a working professional, it's important to stay focused and productive throughout the day. Make sure to take regular breaks, but also avoid distractions such as social media or television. Use tools such as time blocking or the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and efficient. Step number 6, relax and unwind. After a long day, it's important to take some time to relax and unwind. This could be anything from reading a book to taking a warm bath or watching your favorite TV show. Make sure to give yourself some time to recharge and distress before going to bed. Step number 7, get enough sleep. Finally, make sure to get enough sleep every night. Most adults need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to function at their best. Make sure to create a relaxing bedtime routine and avoid using electronic devices before bed. Conclusion. So there you have it, the perfect daily routine for boys. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building new habits, so stick with it and don't give up. Let us know in the comments below what your daily routine looks like and if you have any tips for staying productive and focused throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.